Hey guys, on this video we are going to be reviewing an awesome video marketing tool that is going to be helpful in terms of creating videos, editing videos, or even shooting videos for your marketing or business purpose. Guess what? This tool can also function very well as a free tool. I've reviewed a lot of video marketing tools on my channel, and this is one of the best that I've seen so far. So watch this video to the end, and I'm going to also be giving you coupons to get the pro version of this tool. Are you excited already? So am I. Let's jump right into the video. Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're a new viewer, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're also welcome. Do ensure that you hit the subscribe button down below so you can join the community of people who use their smartphones productively and profitably, and of course so that the algorithm can share this awesome review I'm about to do right here with more persons. I would just love you to appreciate the video by hitting the thumbs up button down below, the like button, and also leave a comment if you enjoyed or if you're going to be using the tool that I'm about to review. So before I say the name of this tool, I would like to tell you what this tool can do. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. No, I'm not going to share my screen. So this tool is a flexible editing tool that can help you create stunning clips. It says that it can help you to easily create and also edit videos for your brand, for your marketing, social media, family, or whatever purpose. So if we go over here, so under the features, it says that with this tool, I'm going to tell you the name. All right, with this tool you can create business videos, that is for promo, for real estate, for news, for corporate, for thriller, for tutorials as well. Then for lifestyle, you can make birthday video, you can make wedding videos, you can make memorial video, anniversary, even music and trendy travel videos. All right, then for social media, you can make your YouTube. Yes, I've used this tool to make different YouTube intros, though I'm not using them, but it was quite awesome. All right, you can make Facebook videos, you can make Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. All right, and there's also a backup feature of this tool. You can use it to make your slideshows. All right, you can use it to generate meme. You can use it for GIF, that GIF making. You can use it to screen record. All right, you can use it to trim your videos. Remember, you can edit already short videos. You can use it to merge videos. You can use it to compress videos. You can also use it to convert from one video format to another. And then you can use it to add music to your video, add text to your video, add watermark to your video, and add transitions. Isn't this amazing? So what is the name of this tool? We're about to jump right into my computer, all right, to check out this tool. Remember that if you watch this video to the end, I'm going to be sharing a coupon code that you can use to get the pro version at a discounted rate. But the beautiful thing about this application or this tool is that even if you're using the free version, you can export videos without a watermark. All right, you can export your videos without a watermark, but it will not just allow you to use some certain template, which is quite awesome, right? So if at least you can check out some of their basic features, their basic templates, okay, for your marketing purpose. So if you like them, you can now go pro and get access to even more and more templates inside of this application or software or tool is Flexclip. All right, so that's flexclip.com. So I believe that the first question you're definitely going to ask is, since I'm using my laptop for it, can it also be done on a smartphone? And definitely it can, all right, because I wouldn't be talking about it if it cannot also be done with a smartphone. It's just like the last tool that we talked about, okay? I shared how to use it on a smartphone and also how to use it on your laptop or your desktop or your PC, okay? So now you should be looking at the platform, all right? That is flexclip.com, the website, okay, on web app. All right, so you would see where you are supposed to log in. All right, but first, of course, you're going to be registering. Okay, so you're going to be registering over here. All right, or log in if you're already registered. Okay, so when you're logged in, it's going to take you over to this page. Okay, so this is the home page. This is actually my own space. All right, so these are things I've done earlier. So we are going to try to create something. So let's just do something simple and something fast. Okay, so I'm going to create an intro video. So over here at the template section, we're going to do intro or outro. So I'm just going to tap intro or outro. Okay, so I'm going to search for the template that I would want to use. All right, Okay, I think this looks good. So I'm going to tap on customize. All right, so I'm going to choose either timeline mode or storyboard mode. All right, so I'm going to use the storyboard mode. Okay, you can use timeline mode though. All right, so it's logging in and we are here. Okay, so we are right here. All right, so you can see company name, website, and your logo. All right, so I'm going to select the company name for instance, and I'm going to just type for instance, maybe for my YouTube channel. All right, so let's assume that I want to make an intro video for my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to write FNISBC, course in capital letter. Then underneath, I can decide to write smartphone productivity, all right, and profitability. Okay, profitability. Tap on this button, then tap on upload. Okay, and then tap here and then tap open. Yeah, all right, so yes, that's how it's supposed to be done. So the next thing I'm going to try to crop. Okay, so I'm going to select crop and make sure that my face is well there. Okay, all right, so I can keep it this way. Okay, so we have this. All right, so when I play, so you see, so it has already added the sound. Okay, and I've done all the whole animation for me. Okay, all right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to tap on the export button, or I can preview. All right, so when I select export, okay, so you can see that I can export it as standard quality, and in this standard quality is free. All right, so if not that I'm already using the pro version, I can export as standard quality and still get this video without a watermark. Okay, then you can select for basic, where you can buy the basic version. Okay, the basic version of this, or you can go plus. All right, so let's assume that I even so plus has 180p. Okay, that's the highest quality, so let's export as plus. Okay, but I'm using the pro version, so it's going to export. But if you were not using this and then you try to select plus, it may add watermark. But when you go basic, that one does not add watermark. So that was why I said that this is the first time I'm seeing an awesome tool like this that you can use for free without it adding watermark for you. So that is why you should try out Flexclip right away. All right, so that was how you can do or use Flexclip with your laptop. Okay, but if you do not have a laptop or a PC, but you only have your smartphone, so how can you use Flexclip as well? Well, Flexclip works better on a desktop. All right, it works better on a PC. Okay, but if you do not have a PC, this is what you can do to use Flexclip with your phone. All right, so I'm going to go to Chrome browser. Okay, so I'm currently on Chrome browser, so I'm going to search. So I'm going to log in to flexclip.com. Okay, flexclip.com. All right, so right here I'm on flexclip.com, so you can see create from scratch and so on. All right, okay, so I selected create by templates. Okay, so I am going to search for intro. Okay, there's already an intro video, so I'm going to select intro. Okay, so I'm going to look for the template that I want to use. Let's say for instance this template. All right, so I'm going to tap on customize. Okay, so now it says your email. Okay, so that send the template link. Okay, so it's going to send me the template link. So I'm going to type Frederick. All right, and okay, sent successfully. So I'm now going to go to my email to find the link that was sent to me from Flexclip. Okay, so this is the email that was sent to me. All right, this is the email. So it says, please use Chrome or PC Mac to customize the template. So you can see that they do not allow, like you cannot use your smartphone, okay, to create your videos on Flexclip. Okay, so but right now I selected it, and guess what it did? My Chrome browser converted to desktop mode, and that is why I'm able to see it this way. Okay, so if not, the first thing I would have done was to just tap on this button over here, and then you can see desktop sites. Okay, so once I change to desktop side, now my Chrome is going to be viewing on my smartphone, is going to be viewing on desktop side. Okay, and to even make it much more friendly, user friendly, it's good that you use your smartphone on landscape mode. All right, so this is it horizontally. Okay, use it on landscape mode. Okay, so from there I can just tap on customize. Okay, so I'm going to select my storyboard mode. So you can see it's now looking exactly like it was when I was on my laptop. Okay, so I'm just going to wait a little for it to load. All right, and then just the same way I edited this on my phone was also the same way I edited with my it's the same way, of course, it's gonna work on my phone's desktop mode. Okay, so to get the coupon code to get 30% off your payment for the pro version of either the basic plan or the plus plan of the premium Flexclip, you can use this coupon code, that is Flexclip 30 off. All right, the way it's written right here, I'm also going to probably write it on the description. All right, but the way it's written right here, just key in this coupon code and then you're going to get 10%, 30, right? You're going to get 30% discount to get the pro version of this awesome and amazing application. And guess what, like I said earlier, if you want to try it out, they allow you to export your videos without a watermark, which is awesome. Okay, so to now go pro and get more and more features from this particular application or tool, then I would like you to get the pro version. Either you get the basic plan or you get the plus plan. All right, and you can use Flexclip 30 off. Yes, Flexclip 30 off to get a 30% discount to get any of those premium version.
Was that video helpful? You might want to watch more tutorial videos on my channel like the one I released recently, and then hit the subscribe button up here and ring the bell so you always be the first to know when I release a fresh video. That is if you want to keep watching videos from me, and of course you want to. My name is Frederick. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.